Hello everyone, my name is Brian Alderman and welcome to my course, Managing Microsoft 365 Subscription and Tenant Health. A little bit about me, I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm an MCT or Microsoft Certified Trainer for 22 consecutive years, so I've been training for a while. I'm an author of 4 published books. I'm a speaker at several SharePoint and Office 365 conferences around the world. And I'm a trainer and consultant at my own company called MicroTechPoint. Now, Microsoft 365 offers a suite of products and services that at some point may fail. It's important for you to understand what options you have for monitoring the service health, for troubleshooting issues, and tracking your users' activity, including their logins and usage. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course include an explanation and discussion of the tenant health monitoring capabilities, the creation and reviewing of service requests that are used to seek help from Microsoft, as well as auditing users and data usage capabilities, which are available from several different admin centers throughout Microsoft 365. So by the end of this course, you'll know how to monitor the health of all the Microsoft 365 services, how to seek help from Microsoft by submitting a service request, and also what tools that you have to monitor what your users are doing, as well as how you can monitor and audit the data that is available in the different Microsoft 365 services and how it's being used. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with your organization's Microsoft 365 deployment, have a general understanding of Office 365 functionality, and know how the Microsoft 365 services are used and who is using them. Well, I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Microsoft 365 health monitoring with my Managing Microsoft 365 Subscription and Tenant Health course available here at Pluralsight.